Well, hello guys, welcome back to the Bench with Gilly here. Today is Saturday, January 28th. Well, it's been over a month and then some since I did my last channel update. Yeah, I've done a lot since then, so you all know I finished the Coca-Cola Christmas build there with the truck and trailer. You guys all seen the video on that one? How am I doing since then? Well, I loaded up a couple of videos. One was the Razor Crest by AMT. The other one was the Shake and Bake kit. And the reason why I'm doing a channel update now is because we're going to be talking about them. And everything else I've been doing. So, stay tuned. Hello, how are you guys doing? Yeah, it's been a pretty busy month. The end of the year, New Year, and everything going on. Some of you guys probably noticed that had an interview with Josh Rysdale Designs there on Meet the Modeler. That was also done today, Saturday. So if you guys want to go check that out, catch a glimpse of me and Josh talking. I'll leave a link down below. Hopefully, if I can get his call sign and everything down there, I should have it there down in the comments. But hey, let's talk about where we are. So lately I've been working on certain stuff. I'm not sure about you guys, but yeah, things have been looking good. Here's the kitten itself that we did, the Shake and Bake one. Turned out pretty good. It's okay. Not the greatest, we had troubles, but yeah. Not the greatest kit I was into. But anyways, there'll be more on that later. And the other stuff I've been working on is the Revell M34 tactical truck plus off-road vehicle. So pretty much a deuce and a half and a Jeep. New box. New decals, same old kit and stuff inside the box. Everything's old, printed back in the early 80s. But goes together pretty good. Little sanding here and there and everything comes together well. And we'll show you those right now. Can't really grab my Jeep right now, it's still drying from the primer paint I used. There you go. There's the deuce and a half. Pretty simple build. Not bad for its age. Top comes off. You can have it both this way or that way. Doors open. One of my doors fell off over there right now. They're not actually put right on due to painting wise. I made it where the hood comes off. As you can see, got some details in there, still got to paint. In other words, she's not quite done, but that's how she looks right now. And like I said, my Jeep's in the thing. I'll have a still picture at the end to show you the rest of it. Another ghost from the past is my Revell P61 Black Widow. This one's going to be a different version. I'm actually doing the invasion stripes. For one day I used to do recon photos of the beachheads and inland before the actual invasion on June 16th. and during the invasion. Yeah, so that'll be coming up in the next build. You won't see this one until the next update, because this has been in the works for probably 5 years now. Other than that, she looks pretty good. It's an old kit, something I did on the side. Pardon my voice, you guys all pardon my voice there, because I'm fighting a little cold right now. And here is another little kit I'm working on. This is a Hobby Boss 350 scale UB5 sub. Just a little something pulled apart, threw together, just kill time during the stream. Got to finish painting. I'll be doing a bunch of hand painting, and yeah, that'll be on the next update. So. And that's pretty much, I think that's pretty much it for builds. No, not really. Another thing I did during I'll zoom you guys in for this one. It's a little thing. It's just actually a little Warhammer figure I did. This is a Elder Raven bike. You guys see right here. Took me about, well, not much of a handheld painter, but it took me about four hours during the stream. Wasn't really rushing it through, so yeah. That's Warhammer 40k. And that's pretty much it for now, from what I can remember. Everything else is there. Yeah, we did. I'll have some still shots and of the stuff I did earlier in this past month. Yeah, let's talk about stash ads now. Well, got a few things. You guys seen one of my videos I already had up. I was kind of very disappointed in. I'll zoom you back out so you get a better pic. Star Wars from Mandalorian Razor Crest. Yeah, some of you may know about this. It's on my video shoots there. Check it out. So that's one of the stash ads I got. And keeping with the theme, well, Star Wars theme that is, we got Boba Fett Starfighter. In other words, supposed to be a Slave 1, I think? Whatever. Anyways, yeah. Boba Fett Starfighter from Disney by NPC. That I will not be doing a video on this one. This will be a regular update whenever I do one. But if you want to see an unboxing of this, let me know in the comments below. And another one, keeping up with the same theme, Star Wars Darth Vader's TIE Fighter, also from NPC. It's not a snap kit, it's the original 7.5 weight with TIE Fighter, where Darth Vader's running down the channel chasing down Luke, you know. This I may do a video, but if you guys really want me to, I could. Just let me know in the comments below. And that's it for the Star Wars theme there. Other stash ads I got was Da-da-da-da. Got myself a square bottle glue holder. Oh, excuse me. Sorry about that. Had a burp. So anyways, I got the Andy's Hobby Headquarters square bottle glue holder that literally holds Tamiya paints, or not paints but glues. There she is. It actually comes together like a kit, so you got to put it together. One big sprue that fits in here, and then a couple of glue points, and there you go. This is what you got. Everything turns, glues come out. The only problem is it's a flat bottom, so I'm basically gonna have to find a turntable that I can fit underneath for it. But yeah, works pretty good. Pieces are a bit loose, so I'll probably stick some felt on the bottom to make them nice and snug, because that still kind of freaks me out. So before I do anything, get into building, I'll be adding some felt to the bottom here, and then make sure everything's nice and snug. So that was Andy's square bottle glue holder. Next on the list, this is kind of tad bit big to get in the picture, but I'll show you part of it. It is the Japanese battleship Yamato, 350 scale. La, 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 la. Yeah, by Tamiya. So the only thing I'll be doing to this is getting the wooden deck part for it. That's basically about it. And maybe some side railings, and yeah, that's probably. I'm not going to do too much, not going to go out of hand with it. Just keep it simple. KISS method, keep it simple. And last but not least, voila! Lockheed Martin's F-35A Lightning II by Tamiya. 48 scale. So, yeah, got one of these puppies. Most definitely be doing a build on this one, and an open box review, so stay tuned for that. And last but not least, I got one last thing to show you guys. It's kind of big, so it'll be hard to get into full view of the picture here, so show you the top part and then pan it around. Yes, that's the SU-27UB Flanker C by Trumpeter. You guys probably heard me talking about this on the interview I had just earlier today with Josh Rysdale. Part of the picture there, and yeah. We're going to be having a full video open box of this. And how I'll be doing that is I went out and got some decals. As you can see, I got the Digital SU-27UBM for Ukrainian Air Force masking, digital masking. Yeah, so that's how I'll be doing that big bird, and that's actually going to be my beginning of the year big bird build. Other than all that, not much else to say. Just showing you guys what's going on, what's coming up. And I hope everyone's doing well out there. As for me, I'm still fighting off a little head cold here. I'm still a little sick. This will be my first day sick. Maybe sick again tomorrow, not sure. Still not feeling great, but yeah. Other than that, everything else is going good. Hopefully you guys are doing well. Keeping those benches filled. And stay tuned for some still shots. I'd like to thank everybody for sticking around, my new subscribers, my old subscribers, and thank you to the upcoming subscribers. And yeah, it's going to be a good year this year. I hope the best for you and all your benches as well, and we'll see you guys at the next one. Thank you.